If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below. Welcome to the CHAPPAN BHOG series of Chef Lall's Kitchen, where I will be making more than 100 holy food of Lord Jagannath, also known as Mahaprasad. And today we are going to be making Manohara. So let's get started. So the ingredients we need are: take some fennel seeds, cloves, black cardamom and black pepper in a blender and blend to make powder of it, from which we need about a tablespoon of that. Then half a cup of jaggery or gur. Then quarter cup of uncooked rice, quarter cup of grated coconut, quarter cup of clarified butter or ghee, and quarter teaspoon of salt. Now in a pan, take all the ghee followed by the grated coconut, uncooked rice, the powder and some salt. Now over medium flame, roast them for roughly about 7-8 minutes or until these turn light golden color. Then switch off the flame and transfer them into a blender and blend to make powder of it. Now in the same pan, add all the gur along with quarter cup of water. Now wait till all the gur dissolves, and after that add all the blended powder, and over low flame combine these really well and wait for a couple of minutes, then switch off the flame. So the powder will soak up the moisture and it will become like a soft dough. And when it's still warm, take a small portion like this and shape it like a ball, and it's done. And that's it, one of the Mahaprasad, Manohara. So do try this at home and share your experience in the comment section below. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below.